good? YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We are back with another video. It's 6 o'clock. It's about to be 7 o'clock. It's 6:40 a.m. right now. And I'm waking up the neighborhood. But as y'all can see, man, it's currently raining right now. So I'm about to give y'all boys a little rainy POV. I don't think I've ever done one of these before. God damn. I'm about to pull up to this Amazon real quick. I'm supposed to be going out to make my 1-year video with the car. It's been 1 year since I have the car now, but it's raining out, so I'm just gonna do a little POV drive. Pull up to this Amazon real quick. I can't even crack the window for y'all boys or nothing, man. This shit is rainy as hell. How y'all boys feeling on this lovely day though, man? Hope y'all boys enjoying this rain. What the fuck? Why everybody over in this lane? Is this a trap? This gotta be a trap, cause ain't no way everybody just over in this lane. Oh my God. Oh, it's a whole school bus. Yo, my bad if the quality is a little bit too dark. You know what I'm saying? But y'all know I'm gonna put the window down for y'all boys, man. Y'all know I'm gonna put the window down for y'all boys, man. We gotta hear some sounds now. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, bro. She angry 24/7, man. She is angry 24/7, brother. Oh my God. That boy came in hot. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me come down here, bro. Oh my God. Yo, chat, why I posted a short the other day, and the short is literally getting mad fucking hate for no reason at all. I don't know why, but I posted a vid saying this is why the B58 is the best sounding inline six. Why everybody hating on me, telling me my car sound like ass, bro? Not that I really care, I just be posting my shorts to post, but because most of y'all click on y'all profile, it say y'all joined YouTube 10 years ago with no videos on y'all page. Y'all just come on my page to fucking hate. But anyway, man, if y'all new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We on the road to 10K subs right now. And I do believe I'm going to hit that goal by the end of this year if I stay consistent, man. Let me know what y'all think, though. God damn. I know it's raining, but I gotta put the windows down now. So yeah, man, I'm about to pull up to this Amazon real quick. Damn. Y'all know I can't push it because it's raining out here, bro.
A few moments later.
That gotta be my favorite. That gotta be my favorite overpass right there, bro. Yo, let me catch this. Let me catch this stop sign before that traffic come over here now. Let me check my exposure again, chat. Oh my God. Oh my God. Niggas really said the B58 sound like ass, bro. Like, at this point, it's just a whole bunch of old heads that's hating for no reason. And I really don't care, bro. I really don't care. God damn. I'm about to go out here and get some vids of the car so I could put up on the screen and shit. Feel what I'm saying? But for right now, I'm about to go out here and show y'all boys the car real quick. Nothing too crazy. I know it's raining out, but I really don't care. I can't let this fucking rain keep stopping me from going out every day and making fucking content, bro. You ain't stopping me today, my boy. But we finna go out here real quick, show y'all boys the car and shit. And yeah, man, let's get it. So I'm about to show y'all why y'all need a CPL. For vlogging, it could be car content. It doesn't matter what content you do. This is why you need a CPL right here. So first of all, look at my windshield right now. Do y'all see all this white glare on my windshield? This is what CPL does for you. It comes with a ring over the filter. So when you spin it,
what did you say, nigga?
It'll take all that glare off the windshield. Y'all feel what I'm saying? Make everything look, you feel me, crisp, look smooth. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all boys ain't seen the car in a minute, man. But, Jesus, look at that side profile, man. Oh my God. Some of y'all probably wonder why I went with silver over the window trim. But I already see the vision. I don't know if y'all see it. But when I take my tints off, bro, and the red seats pop, and I got my V-style lip on with my yellow seat belts, it's gonna look like a whole different car, bro. I'm telling you. Yo, I'm really proud of this car, man. I'm proud of this car and what I've accomplished with this car in the past year, man. I'm telling you, this car right here has blessed me. I'm about to put some vids up with the car right now. Damn, I love the CPL though, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, we finna drop some vids up with the car right now. So now we finna hop on the highway, chat. Hopefully ain't no dickheads out here. God damn, there's mad niggas out here. Put me over there. I know it's raining right now. I really can't give y'all no pulls. None of that shit, bro. I'm just cruising right now. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man. Feel what I'm saying? Yo, why everybody slowing down on the highway? That doesn't make sense. Did I just trap my damn self?
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
It's raining heavy, traffic heavy, every damn thing heavy.
What do you mean by that?
I ain't gonna lie, chat. I might just beg to differ from this fucking lane. Oh my God. I was gonna take the highway, chat, but hell no, brother. Hell no. And most of the times, this light did not take that long today, boy. Man, I cannot do that right now. This shit handling, boy. Y'all see that? And I'm not holding the brake at all. Apparently, if you're not driving a fast car like a fucking twin turbo Lamborghini or some shit, you can't have fun in your fucking car. This a diesel truck? That shit sound amazing. Oh my God. Y'all hear that shit, man? I don't know what I spilled on my shirt. Listen to that shit, bro. That shit don't sound crazy, chat? My birthday is on Sunday, and so I think me and the homies about to go to mainline and shit. Feel what I'm saying? Yo, what's up with this school bus? This shit driving mad fast. God damn. That shit was sketchy as hell, ain't it? As y'all could see, man, X-Drive performs well in the rain. Feel what I'm saying? Nigga, I can't let you get over 10 times in a row. Fuck out of here, nigga. And I got my traction off, and I'm in Sport Plus. Traction all the way off, by the way. And, you feel me? We just cruising, chat. I was doing all them pulls and shit earlier, but car feels fine in the rain, man. Otherwise, from all these dumbass bumps. But like I was saying back there, chat, my birthday on Sunday, but I think we about to pull up to mainline. Feel what I'm saying? It's a Cars and Coffee that I went to last time. I think y'all boys like that vlog, to be honest. Yo, is that a Cybertruck right there? That shit clean, I'm not gonna lie. Cybertrucks, they're ugly, but they're unique in their own way, bro. They got their own look, so I guess that makes them special. But if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys in the next one, man. Bow.